In the cash book, we are going to enter now the two entries from this deposit slip. The date was the 28th of March and the reference is DP 03001. Two entries, Gina Davis and a cash sales of R300. To access the cash book, you click on the cash book icon and you will see the two sides, the payment side and the receipt side. To click on the receipt side to enter the transactions from the deposit slip. Before you do anything in the receipt side, we are first going to check the settings. For every account there's always a contra account, but for the cash book it is already selected as the current bank account. These are the kind of options that you have. Very important for us, we need to go and put the tax processing on, and you select your default tax as 0 standard rated. Increment references is optional, but it's always good because then every reference increment with 1. And we click on close. Now you are ready to enter your transaction. So the first one was on the 28th, period 1. You can type 28 and enter. GCS gives you a choice between general ledger accounts and customer accounts. So Gina Davis is a customer. Whatever you select there will determine which account you will see there. Enter, I click on zoom and I'm going to select the customer. The reference number is the deposit slip number, which is in our case. And the description you need to type. The bank inclusive amount is 274.09. When I enter, it's going to try to match it with outstanding balances of Gina Davis. If the amount is exactly the same, it will be automatically matched and you can just click on close. Coming from the same deposit slip, the date is the 28th, it's a cash customer and it is a cash sales. You're going to select cash sales. The reference number must be the same as the previous one, and this will be a cash sale. The amount was R300, and you enter and you are done. When you are done with your receipt side, you go to update and you update the receipt batch. Update again and close. To view your cash book processing, you go to view, you go to general ledger and you go to your transactions, cash book details. You need to select there at the top the current bank account and you click on OK. And there you will see the transactions. Take note that you don't see Gina Davis and cash sales. They are consolidated into one entry because the reference number is the same in the case of both.